Welcome to Gayatri's Cook Spot. I am Gayatri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make the Latin American caramel milk, which is also called as dulce de leche. I may not be pronouncing it properly, but let me tell you, this is a spread or a sauce which is absolutely delicious. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell icon so that whenever I make a video, you get the notifications. So there are so many ways of making dulce de leche. So one is boiling condensed milk can in water. The other one is making it from scratch. So today I'll show you how to make it from scratch. To 1 liter of milk, add 200 grams of sugar, a stick of cinnamon and a vanilla pod. I have actually removed the seeds for another project here. Or you can also add vanilla essence. Now add half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is a really important ingredient. Do not skip adding baking soda to the milk, because whenever you boil milk or reduce milk, the problem is it will form skins and the milk solids will be very coarse. So you end up with a coarse mava kind of texture. But when you are making condensed milk or dulce de leche, you need smooth mixture, and the color also should be nicely caramelized. For that you have to add baking soda. That will help avoid that coarse texture, as well as give you a really good color to the final product. So use medium or medium low flame to boil the milk to bring down the texture and consistency. See, the color of the milk changes by 20 to 25 minutes. By 20 or 25 minutes, the color of the milk will change. But still you can see that there is no skin form and the mixture is really silky and smooth. So this is the main thing about adding baking soda to the mixture. So keep on stirring. You have to keep on stirring because we don't want to burn the bottom of the pan, because the mixture already has sugar in it. Okay, so it will start thickening by around 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So the amount of the time taken, you have to decide it depending upon how the consistency of the dulce de leche you need. So if you want a sauce like consistency, stop it at 1.5 hours. But if you want a spreadable consistency, just keep on cooking it until it becomes nice and thick. Okay, you can see that the liquid content is totally reduced and it's becoming really nice and thick. So just keep on cooking until you can see the bottom of the pan. Okay, and you can also do this test, just run your finger on the spatula and you can see the line. Okay, at that time you can just stop the stove and remove the sauce from the stove. Okay, so when it's hot, it will be a kind of liquid, thinner in consistency, but when it cools down, it will become thicker. So at that time you need to remove the vanilla pod, you need to remove the cinnamon stick, and immediately transfer it to whatever jar you're going to store it. Okay, so now I planned on storing it in a glass bottle, so I just immediately transfer it to the glass bottle and let it completely cool down at room temperature, and then you can refrigerate it. Okay, so you can see the bottom of the pan, the mixture doesn't stick that much. So that's the consistency I was looking for, because I was looking for a spreadable consistency, not a sauce like consistency. Okay, so just pour it into whatever jar you want. You just pour it. Better to use a glass jar for this. Use a sterilized glass jar, and the dulce de leche will be really good for a very long time. So after this, I just plan to shift it to another small container. So I will be shifting it immediately to smaller jars now. Okay, you can see that the consistency is really thin, right? Pourable consistency. But when it comes to room temperature, when it cools down completely, it will become nice and thick. So usually they do it with a can of condensed milk. They immerse it in a pot of water and let it boil for nearly 3 to 4 hours. But making it from scratch is really delicious. we are adding vanilla, vanilla, we are adding cinnamon, so the sugar also will be very less, it's not overly sweet, but it's really tasty with the cinnamon and vanilla flavors. So if you are looking for dulce de leche recipe, please try this and let me know how you felt it, whether you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.